हाय फ्रेंड, नमस्कार। मैं विपुल इनकम टैक्स लॉ अपडेट में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट कंडक्ट सर्चेज इन द वेस्ट बंगाल and this search and seizure operation total amount of such incriminating evidences from manufacturing group exceeds 700 crores. Dear friends, the Income Tax Department carried out a search and seizure operation on 17 September 2021 on a prominent group engaged in the manufacturing of the steel products. 25 premises consisting of the 8 residences, 9 offices and 8 factories spread over Kolkata, Durgapur, Asansol and Purulia and other regions of the West Bengal were covered in the operation. The search operation has led to detection of the huge quantity of the incriminating document and digital evidence from different premises. Evidences pertain to generation of unaccounted income by the group by way of unaccounted cash sales, unaccounted cash expenditure, purchase from bogus parties under the reporting of actual production, cash purchase of the scrap, several documents of the land purchase and sale, etc. Evidence has also been found pertaining to the utilization of unaccounted income in the form of unsecured loans and sale of the shares of the sale entities, though laying of the unaccounted income. A large number of the property document pertaining to one of the members of the group showing land and property holding in different names have also been seized. The total amount of such incriminating evidences pertaining to the manufacturing group exceeds 700 crore. The operation has led to seizure of unaccounted cash amounting 20 lakh while 2 locals remain to be operated. During the search operation, an accommodation entry provider who was providing entries to the searching group was also covered. From this secret back office, huge number of the incriminating documents pertaining to providing accommodation entries through modes like sale of the shares of sale companies, unsecured loans from sale company entities, bogus billing, etc. have been found. The total amount of which runs into several hundred of the crores of rupees. Evidence of more than 200 companies, entities having more than 200 bank accounts being managed from the entry operator premises have been found. On the basis of the preliminary examination of these documents, it appears that these bank accounts and entities have been used as conduit to route the unaccounted income of many beneficiaries. Further investigation are in process. Thank you so much for watching this update.